The National Press Foundation's sole mission is training and educating journalists. In 2020, we went virtual and reached more reporters in more places. Before COVID struck, our fellows learned how to cover the Senate and the Pentagon, met top experts on heart disease, toured the National Cancer Institute, and heard from immunotherapy pioneer Dr. Carl June.
I learned a lot of stuff I didn't know before, and I've been covering health for 25 years.
I feel like these doctors showed me a way of looking at things that I hadn't thought about before.
When the pandemic hit, NPF adapted. We hosted more than 50 online trainings on topics like poverty, trade, the 2020 election, and vaccines. Top speakers like Nobel laureate Abhijit Banerjee, Reverend William Barber, and Dr. Paul Offit briefed our fellows and took lots of questions.
What don't we still know, and what are you waiting to learn still?
If you have elderly people and you have a vaccine that's not ideally suited for them, would they have to wait until one comes to fruition, or do we distribute what we have as best as we can?
What is the education plan for updating doctors and public health officials about the cultural context behind a lot of the vaccine hesitancy, especially in the African American community?
And veteran journalists shared their expertise on how to cover the White House and report on disinformation. We taught reporters to follow taxpayer money on relief loans and got volunteer data scientists to help them.
We used information from the seminar to write a really good story about charter schools here in Arizona getting PPP loans, and was able to look at data here and see whether they really needed them or not.
On January 6th, NPF fellows were on the front lines at the Capitol. Thank you for supporting our mission, making good journalists better.